Hi guys, welcome to another KamicazCreations video. Just introducing you to a new little beast that I've purchased and ready to have a bit of a play with. 1976 RA23 Celica. Great little car of their time. This one's been fairly modified and I'll give you a bit of a look around. Inside the old girl, running. She's got oil pressure down there. Looking good. Idling a bit high, but not too bad. This old girl's been played with a little bit. She's got a Toyota Supra twin turbo straight 6 inside it. Been reasonably modified to fit that in there, and it looks good and it runs good. Needs a little bit of a tidy up, but not too bad. There she is, guys, the old RA23 Celica. I think she's about a 76 model. Starts, runs, moves, pretty happy. You can see the intercooler sitting down there in the front of it. Looking forward to getting it home and giving it a bit of a tidy up. Watch this space. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe. If you want to see the progress on this car, subscribe. And if you like the video, make sure you tick that thumbs up down the bottom.